myself Muskan Shah. I am a second year PHM student at PBHMC Chandrapur. Today I am going to give a seminar on the topic Drug Control Act. Act was made. Back in the day, drug abuse and trafficking were increasing a lot and India needed a strong law to control it. So the NDPS Act was introduced in 1985 to stop misuse and protect society from harmful drugs. So basically this act became necessary because illegal smuggling and drug networks were growing rapidly without a strict law. It was difficult to control these activities. NDPS Act filled that gap and created a proper framework. Now talking about the objectives, the NDPS Act mainly aims to prevent drug abuse, stop illegal drug trafficking, regulate manufacturing and distribution, allow drugs only for medical and scientific purpose. Before going further, let me quickly explain some important terms from Act. Narcotic drugs include substances like opium, morphine, heroin. Psychotropic substances include mind alteration drugs like LSD, MDMA. And controlled substances are chemicals used to make drugs which the government keeps a strict watch on. Under NDPS Act, almost all drug-related activities are banned unless you have permission. This includes producing, transportation, selling, buying, storage, importation, exportation of drugs. Even just possesses drugs without a license is considered illegal. So if anyone is found involved in manufacturing drugs, running drug rackets, smuggling, or even just keeping drugs without authorization, it counts as an offense under this act. And these offenses are non-bailable, which means they are taken very seriously. One thing about the NDPS Act is that the punishments are extremely strict. The jail terms depend on how much quantity the person has. Small quantity, shorter imprisonment; intermediate quantity, moderate jail internment; commercial quantity, 10 to 20 years of imprisonment with a heavy fine. So basically, the higher the quantity, the harsher the punishment. Now, who actually enforces this act? Agencies like Narcotics Control Bureau, State Police, Custom, DRI, and even the Coast Guard work together to track and stop drug-related crimes. For NDPS cases, there are special courts that deal only with drug offense. These courts make the process faster and the bail rules are very strict compared to normal cases. People often think this act bans all drugs, but that's not true. Some drugs like morphine, methadone, and codeine are allowed for medical and scientific use, but only with strict authorization and power regulation. So, to sum it up, the NDPS Act is a strict law made to control drug abuse, stop trafficking, and ensure that drugs are used only for genuine medical purpose. It plays a huge role in keeping society safe from illegal drugs. Thank you.